Hazrat Abu Umama bin Sahal bin Hunayf Ansari narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu notified him that Hazrat Khalid bin Walid styled Allah's sword, told him that he along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited his maternal aunt Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha, who was the maternal aunt of Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu as well. So he saw a roasted iguana with her, which her sister Hazrat Huzaifa, the daughter of Harith, and sent her from Najd. So she presented that iguana to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was his practice that he would rarely stretch his hand towards the food until he was apprised of the food and its name. So when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stretched his hand towards the iguana, one of the women enjoying his company said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is iguana which has been presented to you." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon withdrew his hand back. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu thereupon submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is iguana prohibited?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No, but it is not found in the land of my people, so I detest to eat it." Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu says that I then dragged it to my side and started consuming it while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was looking at me. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5391.